So what is the importance of exercise in postnatal recovery?
Well, it's really important because you've just been through a pregnancy where your body has gone through a lot of changes, and we're talking about getting yourself strong and ready to cope with your new baby, looking at getting back into your everyday activities that you enjoyed, and trying to make sure that you're as healthy as you can be. We're talking about trying to make sure that you're strong and able to do what you want to be able to do. But the other thing to consider is exercise is a really good mood booster. So the rates of postnatal depression are actually quite high, particularly in Australia. And exercise, as we know, is really good at help maintaining mood through hormones released. And we want to make sure that women are feeling happy and healthy as they can be.
Yeah, perfect. So it's really important. But what about the relationship between, say, if I actually got an injury to my knee and birth, like birth being a big event, I guess,
yes.
a knee injury being, an event, rehabilitation, is there some link? Is it similar?
Yeah, definitely. We need to take into account that your body's been through a really big change, and everyone's birth is very, very different. So you want to look at making sure that you're recovering your muscles appropriately, the pelvic floor, making sure that you're paying particular attention to your abdominal muscles to build up support for your back, things like that. And yeah, we want to make sure that you're recovering from that so that there's no long-lasting effects that we can otherwise change. Yeah,
perfect. And if I'm going for, say, a walk, is it a good idea that I just go for the biggest, longest walk that I possibly can?
Yeah.
Straight after having a baby?
Well, saying that out loud doesn't sound particularly right, does it? So, and that's for a good reason. So we need to be able to monitor and wean into exercise after we've delivered. So walking is a very easy, cost-effective form of exercise to do, and I think it's a brilliant form of exercise, but we still have to be careful with how we do it. So depending on where you are in your recovery, initially I get women definitely to go outside, get the vitamin D, but make it a short walk. And with time, slowly build up and make sure that you're listening to what your body's telling you. If you go in too hard, too fast, and you walk that bit too far, remember you still have to get back again. So you're better off doing a couple of short walks over the space of a day rather than a long one, just to make sure that you're not overdoing things too early on.
Yeah, perfect. So making sure that we definitely include some exercise in terms of our postnatal recovery where we can, and trying to make sure that it's progressive, so that we're not doing too much too quick. We probably don't have a lot of time, so just doing a little bit of exercise is definitely going to be of benefit, and just taking our time with it as we go along. Yeah, great.